Hi guys, my name is Nikola and I wanted to thank you for all of your comments, questions and suggestions. That's the reason I wanted to make a new video where I could tell you more about how amazing thin and durable Samsung AMOLED displays are. Feel free to ask anything I did not cover in this video or the others. This is our Note 10 test device. It has extension flex cable for testing displays. I'm gonna show you how durable this display is. This is the way we enter hidden test menu. As you can tell, touchscreen is working in all areas. Feel free to ask any questions you have, or the other phone model you would like for us to test like this. Bye bye.